Hello everyone, welcome to Power Automate tutorial. Today in this video you will learn how you can create your flow using templates in Power Automate. Hi, this is Krupali from KnowHow Academy. Before going ahead in this video, let me tell you what you will learn from this video. First, you will learn what is templates in Power Automate. Second, you will learn how to use templates to create your Power Automate flow. And third, tips to keep it in mind while using Power Automate ready-made templates. So let's start. So first of all, let me tell you what is Power Automate template. So basically, Power Automate templates are a pre-designed flow which you can use for predefined task. Let's say you want to send an email. So what you will do if you do not have any ready-made template? So first you will select trigger, then you will select an action. But ready-made templates are giving facility that they will design trigger for you and as well as they are designing action for you. Of course, you can edit or delete any action from the template. So this is ready-made template in Power Automate. Now second thing, let me tell you how you can create your Power Automate flow using ready-made template. So let me show you practically. First of all, you need to log in into your Power Automate account. Whether you are using free or paid Power Automate account, both account can access ready-made templates available in Power Automate. Once you log in into your Power Automate account, this is your home screen. So you need to go to the template section where you will find ready-made templates available. Here are the different categories of template. Here you can see the template by name, by published time or the popularity. Right now I am seeing the template by its popularity. If you can click the drop down list and sort by name, then you will see the templates which is sorted in a ascending order, but I want to see it in a popularity. So here I am selecting sorted by popularity. Then what you can do, here you can see the different categories of the template. So here this is all templates. Then if you click on topic, according to that template will be visible. Then shared with me, then remote work template, approval template, then button template and so on. So as per your need, you can select the type of template from the different available categories. Now here you can see that which type of template it is there. So this is automated template and this many time it is used. So here you can see that some of the templates are automated templates, some of the templates are instant cloud flow templates, some of the templates are scheduled templates and so on. So here you can see this is a scheduled template. So you need to take according to your requirement. Here in this video, I will teach you how you can create an automate flow which will send daily email reminders. So for that, you can scroll down and search, or you can search for a template. Let's say get daily and then hit enter. So you will see that get daily reminders from your Outlook to outlook.com to email, then get daily reminders in mail and so on. So I am selecting get daily reminders in email. So once you are selecting that, they are telling that this two things we are using. Basically, reoccurrence is a trigger, and if that trigger occurred, what action that flow will do. So that action will send an email. So that two things they are saying. Here, then you need to make sure that this correct sign is there. That is indicating that you are successfully logged in with the given Gmail ID. So I am logging using my Gmail ID and you can log in using whatever email ID you have. Then you need to click on continue. Once you click on continue, trigger is automatically designed. Whatever the action you want to take, it is also defined. So here you can see that every day that trigger will happen. So what is the interval? 1 means at every day. 2 means the day after another. So let's say day wise, monthly wise, then hour wise, whatever portion or whatever frequency you want to set. So I'm sending day, that means daily. Then I can set the advanced option. So let's say I want to send an email at 1 p.m. daily. So what I can do, first of all, I need to set the time zone. So I'm setting my time zone. Let me quickly set it. So I'm setting my time zone. Then start time, at what time it should start. So let's say it start daily. So I'm not mentioning the start time, but at this hours it should start. So at 1 p.m. that is 13, right? And what are the minutes? At 13 or 1 p.m. exactly it should send an email notification. Then to whom I want to send an email. So let's say I am mentioning the person name to whom I want to send an email at 1 p.m. on daily basis. So let's say I can write my email ID. So I'm writing my email ID, then subject, you can set it dynamically or you can set it manually. So I'm setting subject manually. This is test flow for template. And then whatever body message you want to set, you can set it. So here I can say, hi, this is daily reminder of test email from Krupali. Okay, and then once everything is done, then you can see that red color line is gone and you can save the flow. So this flow will send an email on daily basis at 1 p.m. to the given person. So right now it's 12:40. So I'm testing it. So automatically it will execute at 1 p.m. and this mail will arrive on the email ID. So I'm saving it and I will test it after the flow will made. You can also try out and check it out and check whether you received mail or not. So this way you can create your Power Automate flow using template. Now the third thing, let me tell you the tips if you are using Power Automate ready-made templates. If you are using ready-made templates of your Power Automate, make sure that whatever trigger and action you are using that comes under free services or that comes under paid services. Let me show you an example. Let's say here I am selecting that save outlook.com email attachment to your OneDrive. If I select that, you can see that both of the connectors are available in my account. Let me show you another thing. If I go to the templates and select that, you can see that Microsoft Forms, I need to sign in for that, and SharePoint also I need to sign in that. So if I click on sign in, and here this is fail, and here it is saying that create first partially connection fail. That means maybe I have a free account and I try to use this paid connector. So when they try to connect using my email ID, the connection fails because of the free accessibility. So that thing you need to keep it in mind when you are designing your Power Automate flow using ready-made template. So I hope you understand this. Before ending this video, let me tell you what you have learned from this video. First, you have learned what is the meaning of templates in Power Automate flow. Second thing, you learn how you can create your Power Automate flow using template. Third, I gave you tips that will help you to design your Power Automate flow using ready-made template. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to reach out to us. Stay curious, keep learning.